Why does your scanner show the P1622 engine code? What does it mean? P1622 is a diagnostic trouble code for map cooling thermostat control circuit electrical. The P1622 engine code indicates that there is a fault within the thermostat housing sensor's electrical circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: failed thermostat heater control circuit, wiring issues, ECM malfunction, coolant system problems, sensor issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford Transit Connect and Ford Escape models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.